The targeting of Rohinton Mistri's book in Mumbai is no longer being left just to the Shiv Sena or to the university for that matter. The Congress Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ashok Chavan, has essentially backed the Shiv Sena's comments, saying that the language used in the book was abusive, and the Congress party now seems to be distancing itself from Mr. Chavan.
राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री भी हमारे साथ है, मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं हमारा मुद्दा सही है.
The Shiv Sena gloats as its objection to Rohinton Mistri's book finds support from an unexpected quarter. Congress Chief Minister Ashok Chavan.
I have got my own opinion why Shiv Sena may have its own opinion. I have only said that whatever language has been used in the book, the language is highly abusive. Should the political party take credit for anything?
At the centre, a cautious Congress not just distanced itself from Chavan's remarks, it also tried to pass the buck to its alliance partner, the NCP.
The Chief Minister obviously is entitled to his view. Number two, Education Ministry in Maharashtra is held by the Nationalist Congress Party.
Chavan's hardline stand had already caught the NCP off guard on NDTV last night, suggesting differences within the alliance over the issue.
Whatever I have seen in the book, the language used is highly objectionable.
We have raised the issue and I have not minced word. I have openly written a letter to Vayukar.
The Chief Minister's stand is hardly surprising, given that even in the past, the Congress in Maharashtra has been quick to speak the Sena language, even going one step further, like it did when it went to the Supreme Court seeking a ban on James Lane's book on Shivaji.
Pundits say the Congress feels forced to toe the Sena line on matters of Marathi pride, careful not to alienate Marathi sentiments.
You can see time and again the Congress playing a supporting role to those who take the law into their own hands.
In fact, many are interpreting the Chief Minister's statement quite differently.
It's much more scathing of Indira Gandhi than it was of Thackeray.
An NDTV Bureau report.